I'm so excited you made the choice to purchase a PLC trainer. It's a huge time investment, but a major step in improving your skills. This is our most popular PLC trainer among technical schools and those who need to know more than the basics of PLC and HMI programming. Let's check it out. This PLC trainer uses Allen Bradley's Micro820 PLC, which uses the free Connected Components Workbench software. It supports the three major programming languages: ladder logic, function block diagrams, and structured text. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with those, we have lessons to help you along the way. The Micro820 connects to our Ethernet switch so that we can learn about networking, and we have a relay so you can learn about industrial wiring. On the front of our trainer, we have a Powerflex 525 drive and three-phase AC motor. Now, the key advantage of this compared to a lot of three-phase trainers is this runs off of a 110-volt wall outlet. It comes with 4 push buttons, 2 2-position selector switches, 2 3-position selector switches, and 4 lights, which you can use to learn about most industrial control wiring. It also has a potentiometer and meter, which are intended to wire to the Powerflex 525 drive, and a red mushroom button, which can be used for safe torque off to the Powerflex 525. Another common component that you'll see on PLC controlled systems is an HMI. So if you get that option, there are 2 mounting opportunities. We have a compact mount, which can bolt right here, or if we pop this end off, then this can slide on the 80/20, and we pop that back on. This is an outstanding trainer when you need to learn more than just the basics of PLCs and HMIs, when you really need to understand how industrial control systems work together. And you'll learn about industrial wiring, you're going to learn about networking, 3-phase motor and drives, and a lot of items that you don't even realize you need to know yet. And I've created this playlist right here with a variety of lessons you can use on this trainer.